Hey, I'm Colleen, DIY blogger behind LemonThistle.com and author of DIY Backyard Games. Years ago, I recreated some of our favorite indoor games for the backyard, for barbecues with friends and with family. And they were so popular. I had requests to rent them. I had so many questions about them. I've had more features and questions and emails about these simple projects than I have about any of the other hundreds of DIYs on my blog. Backyard games are such a fun way to connect with your family and your friends and to really create connections at events and gatherings. In this book, I share 13 different step-by-step tutorials for DIY yard games. It includes how to play the game, what supplies you need, how to put it together step-by-step, and tips for each project. But even more than these tutorials is the information that it gives you so you can recreate any game that you really set your mind to. So in the beginning of the book, I have a section called the basics, and the basics goes over tools and materials. For someone who has no DIY or power tool experience, this is a really great resource to learn what the different tools are called, what's the difference between the materials, and just put names to some of the products that you have seen out there. After going through these basics, I am sure that you'll be able to take on any of these 13 fun projects with confidence. At the end of the book, I sum it all up with a chapter called You Can Make Anything. And I love this because this is truly the way that I look at DIY. Anything that you really set your mind to, once you know the tools and the materials and you have some confidence in your skills, you can really recreate anything. So we talk about some other yard games that you might want to recreate and how I might go about doing those. Not only are the games so much fun to play with your friends and family, but they are so much fun to create. DIY is a great hobby if you're looking for something creative to do with your hands and just to have the satisfaction of making something from scratch. The intro to tools and materials will really help you get started with that, even if DIY is something that you found intimidating in the past. DIY Backyard Games is available anywhere books are sold.